How to add a search bar to your Shopify header. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. In this video I'll show you step by step how we can do this. Now unfortunately with Shopify itself, it does not actually offer this option for you to do. So we're pretty much going to use a third-party application in order to do so. So right now you can actually see we have this search icon and we don't really have a box or a bar. So we will need to install that. And to do so, very simply, just go ahead and open up your Shopify admin, go to apps, and just go to all recommended apps, and basically just go ahead and open up your Shopify app store. Now, there are going to be plenty of apps that are going to pretty much do the same thing for you, but I'm going to go for a specific one that I have in mind. You can just go and search for search box, and you should find this one right here, which is Rapid AI Search Bar and Filter. This is the one that we will be using. And I highly recommend that you actually first try it out for yourself. Maybe it is actually going to be the one that you stick with. But I need to know that there are also different applications that do the same function. So in this case, like I said, I'm just going to be using Rapid AI. Go ahead and click on install once you actually find it. And you can see the different plans that they have. So go ahead and click on install. And confirm the actual installation here. So now we are just going to begin the setup process. Just go ahead and give it some time and click on next here. And then obviously feel free to answer some questions here. I'm just going to skip ahead until we can actually go ahead and add the search bar to our site. Okay, great. So once you find yourself in this home page now, what you need to do really is just go and scroll down until you find add a search bar to your storefront. Rapid search allows you to add a search bar anywhere on your storefront if your store doesn't have a search bar, or pretty much you just want to actually add one. So we can just click on add a search bar. Once you click that, we just want to pretty much click on add custom search bar. Give it a second. And obviously we will have the ability to select where it's actually going to be located, because right now you can actually see it is underneath the header. We don't really have it on top here, but we can also change that and make it on top so that it is going to be in the header. And also you can actually see it is going to be fully functional, much like the actual search bar that we had by default. It's only it's a search bar instead of an icon now. And in here, once you actually open this up, you will find yourself in the app embeds section on your site, where you will need to enable it. Not only that, but also select the different customization options here. For example, with the search icon, which is a little gray here, and you can actually see the search button background, which is also lighter gray. You can feel free to change that and make it really any color that you want. And you can see the live preview on the right side once it is actually applied. So go ahead and select the design aspects to it, and then we can just go to the settings here, and you'll see position. Once you see position, you just want to make sure it is above, and you can actually see it is now in the header, and we have our search bar ready to go. So we can just feel free to click on save, and we can just go ahead and exit out of here once it is saved, and we're pretty much done. So let's just go back to our Shopify store here. Open up our store viewer or preview, and you can actually see we have our Shopify store search bar here that we can actually go in and search for any products, anything really. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.